Have you ever wondered how you know that you exist? Not because you can see yourself, not because you can touch your own body, but because you are aware. Around 1,000 years ago, long before René Descartes became famous for saying, "I think, therefore I am," the Muslim philosopher Ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna, proposed a remarkable thought experiment. He asked us to imagine something impossible. Imagine that a person is created fully grown and suspended in empty space. They cannot see, they cannot hear, they cannot smell or taste, they cannot even feel their own body. No contact, no sound, no light, no sensory experience whatsoever. Now Ibn Sina asks a simple question. Would this person still know that they exist? His answer was yes. Even without experiencing the outside world, the person would still be aware of their own existence. Why? Because consciousness is something deeper than the physical body. For Ibn Sina, this demonstrated that the human soul cannot simply be reduced to flesh, bones, or the senses. Of course, this was a philosophical argument, not a verse from the Quran or a hadith, but it shows how Muslim scholars were asking profound questions about consciousness centuries before many famous European philosophers. Today, neuroscientists and philosophers are still debating one of the biggest mysteries of all. What is consciousness? Can it be explained entirely by the brain? Or is there something beyond the physical world? Whether you agree with Ibn Sina or not, his thought experiment forces us to ask a question that still has no universally accepted answer. What is it that makes you, you? Ibn Sina's flying man is over 1,000 years old, yet it still challenges modern philosophy. And maybe that's a reminder that the intellectual legacy of Muslim scholars has much more to offer than many people realize. Which answer do you find more convincing? That consciousness is purely physical, or that it points to something beyond the body? Let me know in the comments.